chunky, cheap paint. Panels. So you want to see some finished ones? I want to see some finished ones. It's a little glossy under the sunshine here. You know, we'll go this way. How about this? Go this way with it. Oh, look at that panel. I like that a lot. I like the black in there a little bit showing through different spots. So that's 3 of the panels done. Got all those to do. So let's get to it. So I hate when I do these things. Well, I don't hate that I do these things, but I hate when I don't think about doing a tutorial. So what I did was, obviously, I cut all of the lines. Now I'm going to make this a much better tutorial, but so after I cut the lines, I put spray paint in between each one of the lines. And what that did was that obviously darkened the pink. Not a ton, because I didn't really want it super dark, but it also ate away at the foam, like I showed you earlier. But what that also does is when you're painting it, you take a roller, and you don't have to cover all of it. Because when the foam gets eaten by the spray paint, it lowers the depth, or height, I guess. And so then you get a nice natural looking, where it kind of has, you know, aged a little bit. So you don't have to roll over every little bit of it, because then you get lots of little bits like that. You can see a lot of them on some of these other ones. So that's that step. And now you have your completed brick panel on a sheet of foam. These are smaller pieces of foam that were cut up and given to me, but obviously if you want to do a full sheet, that's going to take a lot less time. One of these sheets cost about $25. Ironically, and probably easier, Home Depot actually sells a brick panel that is already aged, but it is a kind of like a fiberboard. Actually, I can show it to you. Home Depot actually makes this. Actually, let's put it in the sunlight. Now, I don't know what that white stuff is on there, but it makes it look kind of cool anyways. But, so, obviously, this is a pretty cool looking brick panel. Problem with it is it's this weird, I don't know if you can even see that. Yeah, there you go. See, it's this weird type of stuff, and this is already kind of separated a little bit. So when this gets wet, it swells, and then it bends and stuff like that. It's, you know, and it's pretty flimsy as is. But this is really cool if you're going to do any indoor scenes. Obviously, you would be done, and this costs about $25 a panel as well. So you're looking at more work to create it onto this, but this will last forever, where this will not, unless it's indoors all the time. That will last outdoors or indoors forever, because it's foam and it's waterproof already. So if you use the outdoor paint, you won't have to worry about that either. So you have options of what you want to do this for. Obviously, you can do this for brick paneling walls. You can do it for fireplace scenes, walls, obviously. And I'm going to use it for the exterior of a mausoleum to turn it into a Santos village. Hey, so we are back doing some more Christmas transformation. As you saw, I made all the panels, and ironically enough, I made about 5 too many. That's really weird. But they still look really cool, and I like them. So, this is what we're doing now. We are now putting the 4 panels that'll go on each side. We are putting adhesive, and then the wood and screws, and we got to put another piece right there. I got to cut it. So we're going to do that to 2 panels, and then these panels over here are going to get cut up into different sizes. They're going to get trimmed off, like right there. Both those are going to get trimmed off there. This one's going to be for some of the side panels. This one's going to be used for the extra, because I need an extra 8 inches on top of each one of these ones to cover the front, and then some side panels. Yeah, so these are going to be used, 3 of these are going to be used for a backdrop for for the Christmas tree in front of one of the windows, the Atmosphere Effects virtual Christmas tree decoration projection thing bobber. So 3 of those will go on there. And one of them will be used for those pieces, basically, and 2 of these will be used for a fireplace. Rude. 2 of these will be used for a fireplace thing, because I have a fireplace and I just need to put some brick panels behind it, and I don't want to use my big wood ones because now I have these. So I have plenty of wood, plenty of brick panels. We're good now. So yeah, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to lay the other panel down, put the other piece on there, and then lay the other panel down. I don't have a big enough workspace for this. Granted, I probably could clean all this up. I really probably could. Those are all fog machines I need to work on, and there's just stuff I need to clean up. But anyways, so I got skeletons over there, and let's not talk about those pillars. Okay, let's talk about the pillars. I have sprayed those things 3 times with white paint. They look white to you? No, they don't, do they? Not at all. That part right there does. Nope, not at all. I soaked those things in white paint, and it did not. It's like it soaked in and went away. It like disappeared almost instantaneously. So I don't know what it was. I did the first set, I thinned it down with water to put in the paint sprayer. But then the second set, I just didn't do any thinning, and I just shot it straight through it. The ground is white, but the pillars are gray still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to roll it with a paint roller and see what I can do with that. Otherwise, I'm going to shave them all down back to the original white. I just don't want to do that because it takes a lot more time. But I definitely need pillars. At this rate, I may actually just make 2 more new ones. But those are already shaped the way I want them, and they're the right height for the most part. They're not the right height, actually. So, I may actually just make 2 more pillars and make them the right height, too. So, anyways, that's where I'm at right now. So, I'm going to get to the other 2 panels, and we're probably going to install a lot of the Christmas lights tomorrow because it's going to be nice out. I've got a lot of the electrical up. I've got 4 of the Christmas trees. I'm going to get 2 more. That will make 6. I should have 6 Christmas trees this year. And so that will make me, and I have 10 skeletons, so I have plenty of skeletons to do different things around the yard, so that'll be very fun. So I'm probably going to do all of the lights tomorrow. Hopefully I can get them all done tomorrow. And then Sunday I've got plans to put up more Christmas lights at another person's house. And then it's supposed to rain Monday, Tuesday, and maybe part of Wednesday. But now Thursday and Friday are supposed to be nice. So I'll probably get the building put up on Friday. Next Friday is my idea. But I may do it during the week too. So not that you care because you won't see this part because I'll probably delete it all. Maybe I won't. Who knows? So Haunty Christmas on. Ha.